In DRV news today, Kartel a plan to buy some property over St. Vincent. You hear me talk? Kartel a make the people them know say, yo, too much bad mind around here in Jamaica. In news today, yeah man, Valiant, watch the road bro. Can't crash on one part on one place. And Buju make you know say I travel through Babylon. And I go around a Babylon, go shell where one show. And this is what Junior Gang had to say about YG Marley.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Me and you talk about it, man. A matter of fact, him give me the idea. So we there at Jamaica. Because this is the first me I come here from. Never know so the place nice, you know.
I'll buy some property or something.
Yeah, so we are gonna come. We are gonna see you more often. Trust me, we are gonna see you more often. So.
Yeah, people, so just in on DRV, yeah, you know said Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer is an exceptional entrepreneur. Yeah, them man wants him see the opportunity to invest. He might go take it. You know what I mean? And this is Vybz Kartel in St. Vincent. A reason with the elites, and I make them know say that place here nice. I love over here. And we must go invest in some property. And you know how property go. Over the years them you know say value go increase. And if you put a Airbnb on the property, or one of them little lounge and grill there, because I know at them business they are run the cut you know, as Jamaicans would I say. That I run the cut you know. Then, you know say the value of the property increase. And these places are owned by Vybz Kartel, so you know say the revenue nah go normal. It would be nice if you hit the DRV bell. Yeah. So you get notified when them hot news are drop. This is another hot topic. Cause remember I did touch that topic here when I time them, you know. This is how Kartel have to say about people. All young, granny, dog, puss, rat, we live in Jamaica. Bad mind. It's a disease. Yeah. Corruption. Then the artist can't deal with it. Can't manage the whole mind bad vibration. You see me, I said come like a rotten brains. You see me? Yeah man. And remember, you know, people, the place is laculated with this energy because I don't know, maybe the artist that encounter the backlash. You see me, I say in terms of just jump out of prison and is on the rise, and him never off the rise, you know. Was on the rise, and right now the artist is on the rocketing. You see what I say? Yeah, because December 31st, yeah, a whole heap of people are, you know what I mean? Yeah, and I look on the revenue and I imagine the outcome and what it's going to be. And then the artists look happy. For a sick man, a man where them say ill. So bad mind will activate. So that's to make a note trait, TPC.
I'm alive. True ready.
Yeah, people say you don't know. Buju Banton is a very radical youth. You see me I say? So, the man I make you know say I make a small travel go to one place, you know what I mean, when I Dutch patrol so. Zin. And I make you know say I there one place in Tampa, Florida. A shell off on a show. But he's also reminiscing. And when them they lock him down around there, yeah man have him locked up in one place or in one part behind bars. So right now I make them know straightforward. This is how I'm gonna deal with the place when time him forward. You know what I mean? Yeah, Buju Banton, Gargamel is a jovial man. You see me? Cause I in a Babylon. And the man make you know straight in a Babylon. And I'm traverse through Babylon. But in a Babylon, him side couple rooster higher. Yeah man. Different type of vibration around here. Yeah, so It is good to be alive. It's great to be here. You know what I mean? It's good to be free. You see? I mean, I talk about mentally, spiritually, physically free. You know what I mean? Can do what you want, move and go where you want. You know what I mean? Be yourself. Just give thanks to life and all things. You see it?
My youth, you're alive and put on your ugliest face. I want the blood clot. People look so and rooster there in a Babylon. We look through the window where I can see some rooster to post the clot. I walk up and down in Florida. Eh? You know see that? Look up.
Alright, people, so that one yeah could be tragic, but give thanks to life. Valiant, brother. A motorcade. Go easy on the road, bro. Yeah, man. This is my advice. Remember, you know, December forward, you have the girl them bubble gum. And the bubble gum can't splash out on the road, brother. You see me I say? Yeah. Yeah, brother. Girl them a go ball all kind of things. So the man them go easy with the drinking and the driving, brother, on the toll. You see me I say? Because remember, you know, roller blades, skate on the toll. Ungle with a car, skate on the toll when it crash. Like that.
I was playing that Proteges event, and I stood up on stage and I goes, people, as long as we got the Marleys here, the Marleys are gonna come through for us. And YG came through big time.
Yes, and what is very great about the success of that song, particularly too, is that it does show the younger generation that sound has a lot of value.
Yeah, people, so this is Junior, Gangzilla, Marley. I make you know straight. Same cousin. Yeah, him deal with that one yeah, on a different level. YG Marley, yeah. You know what I mean? Family to family. This is what Junior Gang have to say.
Working on
You told me that.
yeah, different part of the sample. He doesn't use the part I was using, that I have, you know, in my drum machine. But that's the funny thing is like, I almost did this record.
Did you message him and say, you're lucky you're fancy?
So this is Junior Gang. Yeah, I make you know straight and I big up him cousin straight forward and I make him know straight. Say youth, straight. You deal with the Junior. Straight. Moonlight. Yeah. Our world. Yeah, people, so we want to know, go check out that one yeah. By Matic. Yeah. It name Any in a Glass. You see what I say? So the man I make you know say right now a celebration time and an endorsement. You see me I say so we are sip and go and kick back. So yeah, people, so me I tell you about that $50 something there. That $50 something there. Chat TV, big up on yourself. When you see the opportunity and you grab the little piece of food though. Yeah. So, people, remember, subscribe, like, and share. You hear? Yeah, big up to our trivia winners. You hear my talk?